Okay, everybody, this is the installation for AlbumFlow on Adobe InDesign. First thing we're going to do is go to the window here, and we want to go down to Utilities and Scripts. We want to get that script window up. Next thing, to make sure this is selected right here, we're going to right-click on User and enter or choose Reveal in Finder. So this is what comes up. And at the top it says Scripts. Now I'm going to go to my AlbumFlow software, and I'm just going to duplicate this right here. And I'm going to unzip it. I'm going to take the folder and I'm going to drop it right in there to the Scripts folder, just like that. And now we're going to go to InDesign, and we'll actually quit InDesign. And then we're going to restart it. And then this window will come up. That's your serial number. So you'll copy and paste that serial number into an email to me or to a form. And then when you get the license number back, you're going to copy and paste it in here. Click Set, and then you're good to go. And here you'll have AlbumFlow in the menu, and you can go from there. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.